Agnes Fabrication and some. A while ago I created this reel and it goes, I want to die. It was a good reel. It made a lot of views, but I wish I could find one that says, I want to live. Despite all the things that I go through, all the obstacles, all the ups and downs, all the ins and outs, all the losing of family, the non-loyalty, the talk behind the back, the not caring, all of that, man. All of that. Everything. I want to live. I want to see these two little girls. Excuse me, I have a woman. My daughter is a woman now, and I have a little girl. I have two stepdaughters that are young ladies. One's a woman and one's a young lady. I'm trying to make it work between me and the old lady, man. She quit drinking 2 months. Ups and downs, man. Ups and downs. But I don't want to die, bro. Why would I want to die? Because then I would miss all the exciting stuff. And so would they. Agnes Fabrication and then some. I love y'all.
The black sheep of the family eventually becomes the goat of it. For some reason, it always seems like the person that's the most looked over is the person that makes the biggest moves. The black sheep of the family eventually becomes the goat of it. For some reason, it always seems like the person that's the most looked over is the person that makes the biggest moves.
Morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. Hey, listen, let me start out by saying this. Agnes Fabrication and then some. We love y'all. All the addicts out there that are in recovery and those that are in active addiction, man, I love y'all. If y'all need anything, holler at me. PeterAgnes77@gmail.com. Go over to the site and subscribe, man. Thank you very much. YouTube, that's where I'm at. Hey, listen, so I wanted to give my views, my political view a little bit, right? Yo, we need somebody like Trump's caliber back in office. I was a Democrat at first, and I realized that the Democratic views ain't what my views are. So I'm shooting for a good Republican to be in office because these countries are getting out of way, and the only way we're gonna get them back in way is if we got somebody like Trump in office. Now, I ain't saying Trump per se, but somebody like Trump. Agnes Fabrication and some. I love y'all. Give your input.